Here we are looking at our good buddy ATRN. It's been quite a while since the last time I did it, given that I used to probably be doing it almost every day, especially during this period, but the chart is acting human again and just going through a period of consolidation here. So, like I said, it's been a while, so I wanted to get back and update things. Video really shouldn't be too long. All I'm really going to do is draw the chart pattern, and then it's pretty much just a wait and see, because the bulls really aren't winning. They're winning in the long term. I should take that back. In the long term, they are winning because you can see here the 50-day simple moving average is sloping upwards. But in the short term here, it's just up, down, up, down. But we do have a pattern that's taking shape here, and that's going to be the best way to kind of highlight what's going on currently from the technical perspective. So let's put on our imagination caps, and this line here, what I'm drawing, is what we're going to call the flagpole. So we'll just make this a neutral color. And if you're familiar with charting, let's pick something different here. You'll see where I'm going with this. And then what we have is the resistance portion, which is this downtrend line right here. So change this to red for resistance. And then finally, the third piece of the puzzle, we have this uptrend line here, which is the level of support within the pattern. So let's change this to green here for support. And depending on what you want to call it, they're both essentially the same thing. We basically have a bull flag or bull pennant formation that has taken place. Probably pennant would be more accurate, but the reason it's a bull pennant is because it's happening within a bullish context. And again, the bullish context comes from right here where we have this increasing 50-day simple moving average. So the overall pattern long term, like I said, is bullish. However, short term, it's a wait and see. Wait and see because, as you can see, the price is essentially just bouncing back and forth between these two trend lines. But then here you can see that the pattern is running out of room. So pretty soon the price is going to need to make a decision. Is it going to go in the bull's favor up here, or is it going to break down through the bottom of the pattern? And if that's the case, then I wouldn't be surprised to see it possibly come down here and give the 50-day simple moving average a test. But if it does break through the upside, depending on volume, that'll really give us a good idea of whether it's going to retest these new highs or possibly go even higher. And then finally, I just want to end on this just being a great example of consolidation. You can see here that during this whole sideways period, check out the volume has really dropped off. That's exactly what you want to see during consolidation is, lower the volume the better. So as far as the volume analysis goes, it's acting just like you would ideally want to see it. So keep your eye on volume, and like I said, if you do see an upwards break to the upside or downside, the bigger the volume, the more confidence you can have in whatever direction the price break does come. But for right now, if you were to ask me to sum up ATRN in a few words, I'd just say bull pennant pattern, and we'll see what happens the remainder of this week and then going into next week. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook with your newsletter subscription. You'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was ATRN. Thanks for listening.